July 6, 2021, people. Milo TV, Toronto, Canada. And then make a probo kakra all the way to York University. And I'm a biti. Me Shoreham. Me J. Ebechi Shoreham. And I'm a judge. And I'm Midasuna Shoreham. Shoreham Nanny. And Shoreham. Shoreham no. I had any free. And I buy a senior consi. Hanging Shoreham. And Chibia Medu Black Creek Parkland. And when you Shoreham, you have Black Creek Parkland. Shoreham Drive, a city within a park. And you can't be done, say, of say no more this side. We send now, it's a bridge. Bridge now. And out my year, a homage brand so far. We do I just sit down, take a rest. Now, when you say building boo, I'm saying you're clear. But I can't wait. What me fast so copy a chiro. That commercial that I say, man, but and you're nothing and buy on. We are coming Vancouver, a friend by Whistler, but I ain't Vancouver. I Toronto, Canada. Milo TV, or the answer over here, or subscribe, you know, I like it, or comment to we are now. I share yen to Amaso. Okay, so saying a quantity, a quana by means bicycle lane. And a more moko. And a quana by means, and Uchi bicycle, old lane, first one. Now, second one, I will be your driving. The second year, okay. Yeah. Now, if you are more balance, no, I'm off other side of the road. So, anything. Okay. And to me, go so, me come on him. And then me quite could chat. What I mean, funny say, York University, one Kill campus, no. Yeah, Kill campus, no. And I meet church, and then I will Milo TV, so. And to do I the one inside be about warning, you are being watched by to the oil now. They are watching you, they are looking at you. I'm more head the oil. I had in them in our cameras and corner over. Until I make York University, one Kill campus. And I make Milo TV, Toronto, Canada. What the answer over subscribe, you know, I like it. What commenting if you share. Madam, I say, but you can't catch you that I said, me the Jane, I bet you Shoreham, and I'm Jane before Shoreham, and I'm the Shoreham, I bet you Maury Ross Parkway. I know, and me Jane so. This time around, baby, I make on any York University Kill campus. So I said, Mosiana any York University Kill campus. Shoreham, in a Sunni and Shoreham, and this side of the road, you know, Maury Rose Parkway. Okay, and Thomas. Bicycle lane. And Uduha, I was saying, so white. It's doing to me, Conti. This is what I have to press. Oh, you have to press this. Me press you over here. Me press you. I say I saw red. It's we never saw red. So traffic, you know, we say red. I saw red. It's a so white. Nature say meet me across, but I'm not even going there. And you're there. My present, so I'm a call. My first side. So I didn't answer. Okay, on so. Side hɔ na mekɔ no mema nsimu a carfoɔ no simu a ɔmo yɛ wrong nti ni this is it York University Shoreham where Kiel campus eti ɛne me nkɔ ɔmo campus na ne da hɔ no nti wobɛhwɛ a campus kɛseɛ da ha nyinaa wo school pɔn a yɛfrɛ no York University ɔmo campus akyire kakani yes before they plan big, they do it big. If it must be done, it must be done well. Until I answer tennis court now, no. Tennis Canada. But I University of York and York University on campus na bi and da wono and we tennis and the tennis court no and also ba nyina ma ba hwepen with accreditation though and look na and the mure ball tennis wa ha am ko inti kwan no na che bebre wa ha on bicycle lane kwan so no we drive one so our quiet maximum of 40 speed here. Yeah. Okay. Kill campus. I want that's when I'm not make capture channel Milo TV Toronto Canada. Show how many free say bana. Aban and I bet and I bet the pond road any the pond road ni it is a streetway Adam and him say no straight up say no I call York University HO and away tennis Canada and so now and Ian McDonald Boulevard Sakwa way Ian McDonald Boulevard and so now it here how and I'm Ian McDonald Boulevard. I know I Kiel campus. It's almost the being women in a BCC. Yes, a BCC. Yeah, who did you with a paper be? Now, if we say Yard could be another, not the two. I'm from a crowd, my fine York University. I know campus, no, a choice. Yeah. This side. The building. No. Campus na bisini. Nti radio. Okay, nti wasise. Nti York University because of say French and English in University York. At the Kiel campus, Ian McDonald Boulevard, Northwest Gate, Steeles Avenue West, Thompson Road. Yeah, so no more anything. Quite and then, like, a name be a waha. Say, Kiel campus, Say the bay are on your rent, or moody way na be baha. Into you do an out in Kaya. Now, 1 year, 1 year. Eti Kiel campus no achi ho anam da so amede menam eti university na ankasa de York University no achire building na ankasa ni omo faculty radio station bi kra wo sa building na isi ho no tention radio station bi wa mabe ye adwuma ho pa enti obu Ghana na opese obekọ school awo York University a sa York University no and ye dika atwa ho mfonyi ade ache wansa na wade what to anamo aba me ba Milo TV wo dia ne so obe subscribe na wa like na wa comment na wa share na ye kire wo omo kwan na ho said the city on BBI legit. Yes. Once a BBI dana kwam. It was summertime. July 6, 2021. School akra Ghana for our kakra fine. Stop pedestrian. Stop for pedestrian crossing. Stop for pedestrians. You know how no more money the munchum. Tibat ma be me look point. Kwani no cross. Nti asu du han ma omo aye alani up ni tennis Canada Aviva Center take Mackenzie Norman between West Office and baby abesa okọ our campus obia no bibia wa nti York University campus no e wa akiri na me nti me gusu a me kwa aprobo nti wo say Kill campus Kill campus Northwest Gate Thompson Road Ottawa Road me come him straight up nti you be him say ya as I say Sherman Health Science Research Center no yeah tiena wa no Sherman nimso obe honu yede am miense Sherman Health Science Research Center 281 Ian McDonald Boulevard and Thomaso yeah Kill campus na nam no otimi se Ghana ha nkomo de be base pa wi ni nyese omonum but ontimi mfa ba bi ma meye base sa anya yi cameras be brave nti York University mo pe kwan na mo migrate free Ghana be ko school ha no York University on campus Kill site and am de nanam no eti maba almost meyadu Pioneer Village mefa Pioneer Village amo so the whole city kwa for Pioneer Village alright into Milo TV na gusu awo no eti baby adri eye me fa ne say okay baby a bus no e ba na aba be change na subway wa ha bus driver no you know did me nti Pioneer Village no any almost every second be a bus every second be a bus nti buses expected e do hanma utimi gina no wa calculate no wa check no wa hwe obi mfo obi ade nti ba obi spectacle every toy omo de ato ho yie e bia na ni wura ni twam no afa na de eti ese meme come anim sei ayi na so ti betimi akọ meme mefa bus de be ya metwam wo ho nti bus ni bi ni gina no na subway no but me come anim straight say me kwa kan steels steels na woman anim no ahanes Pioneer Village no anyina Pioneer Village bus no every second be a bus Pioneer Village na ba konsi but alone ya across the street Toronto bus na hadie said 1990 and they always see actually Pioneer Village Timira Sabuo it is Sabuo ni say na ti Pania Village because of COVID-19. COVID-19 precautions. If you are sick, please stay home. Masks and face coverings mandatory here. Into subway. On subway. GTC subway. Maria subway. Chain it here. Into subway no. So we have also travel ticket. It is a beer whisker. Maybe our card. We need presto no. Sika was sign. And one say, what they were ye? ATM card. I say, why then? Our booby be an essay. Be aba. Life and colored. As a way to be. No. And yes, sir. Idea why. So when you chat ticket now, one for presto nanya. Emi my uncle that. I was say being so no wako. And me I want to minko and not just say uncha. I hang in as a subway. Subway no. Underground. I'm sure. Here, Stills Avenue, Black Creek. Northwest Gate. Auntie, also alcohol, natural. Also, be a man. I'm French, I mean, more sanity. Into me, I mean, could I say, a man said I'm prepared, say me baby Rasabuino, and I say me cut down. Mint me rat. Obet me we are no French, say, but he bit me at him. He bit me at you. See it here. Be Musana. Kosabu, no park for bus underground. And now your Ghana those days near Canada underground train. Toronto, Canada, Milo TV. Subscribe, comment, like, and then share. Anyway, we are Sabu now. We peer free her. Marco, another place. So much I say. Danger, no entry. $500 fine for illegal entry. And it's our way. Offer to say illegal entry. On the final, $500 Canadian dollars. So, I had 1 second beer. Every second beer. I say airport. Every second beer. Bus. Every second be a bus. Auntie, Pania Village nana one. Bus. Different. Pania Village. I want a bus driver be a say. I know dress. Intimate shot at the young Cotina bus. Pay obey. Tadias. I don't want dress. Actually, bus is expected. No entry. And the bus no. In the season. But be out could be a. But be out could be a. Be out could be a winner bus. Be out could be a mine open. Be out could be a winner bus for her. And it's Toronto, Canada, MC Milo TV. I'm park in Suda. My training park you have. Come on. You see me free baby, I'm in me. I'm Marco side of about Bassi Bentimintiminko. Bassy. What sign is on for all? Okay, you see, I saw. What sign is on for all front? On the Bass in the original. Bentiminko. I didn't associate company. I other side. This side, and so here campus. York University. On campus, Yeah, and this will be because school our heart. Or because York University are. And you can travel and for you a children. U of T, University of Toronto. Sorry. York University. I call U of T, University of Toronto. I measured alcohol. Now I'm a capture also. And then, maybe I'm back capture York University. Students, parking in the down on gate. Stadium. in teams ni bi kra enya facility bi say my training and so here I said oh my nice oh my come on U of T York Lions oh University of York I said U of T no I U of T na ba manum pa bet mo fa nkyem why me shada alcohol so aprobonti stadium no maybe any kwa betina to enche bia esumba ombe so mo light no anati the bus ni bi so way pass way all the way to kill all the way to kill okay. Stadium. Come on. University of York, York University, one of 3 Canadian universities to offer a college system. Yes. That was so. Free Ghana or because school happen biano unim. Or say York University, Glendown campus is Southern Ontario's only bilingual university campus. And all metwaso and I say first Canadian eco campus in Costa Rica. Campus na bi ni York University on campus no. A kosa koka kill. Oh, onza o he wanim straight onza cars bi. Ma me nyina ona he ni ye. Onza cars bi twetwam ho. Onza cars twetwam. Eti ho no aye straight to Steels kwana down. And at this side of the road hanyina aye campus na bia. Bia me na me kura almost my ira na sabet. Hajuma maji atom ho se me no. Eti sei ana omo ni bitia. I say Founders College and Resident, Vania College and Resident, Stigma Lectures Lumbus. Yeah, like the campus. No? I read about in our house. A campus, a campus. On tennis court bi so ha so nkrofo di omuka so mo ya di omo sia omo yo pa nyina ya campus ba bia me na me nyina o aya big sanka wa minim se de minsin ha mani sinka emfa but then ya ka se so pa so enua no se de omo mfa ni agro mo didi enua campus na bi ni o yeah, machi ahana me free buy no hanyina a part of the campus of York University. Me ba cho ha Milo TV Toronto Canada. O dia ne se obe subscribe no like o comment we na afi wa share. Ya to so. Me come anim still York University aprobo. Ene ne mabey. Me mo hu bi aso asase ne so pa me ka se eye more than say free swame round about me mfa say York University campus no okay ka bompa dia me hamania from swame round about all the way to emuchi abetra asafo ebi Virginia ho side bet maybe could be more than that because I think I make other side now. Okay. So I do Kill campus, York University Kill campus. I do Chimney Stack Road, Winters Road, Vania Lane, York Boulevard. Oh, facility ni binyo. I think I may be school ni mo ankasa. university no animu entrance kuma men kan sa machi hanyina ya campus o hanyina ya mo facility sa se da hanyina abrafo de na kwanya menim mo komanim obaye na wagya ne din ogya hokọ a achirebebo ne din aka asem I think sa probo de ese me ba part 2 aha ye ba bia gina etwen bus zoom bus no ya ka zoom bus na se bus a free Toronto akọ Brampton and other places eti afa na madu campus no more or less me van say omani musa enti chimney stack ayi no so ana menam no ene so ana menam mensa mo apartment na no eti afa na mabedu York University no animu sa animu eti miguso a meko na mananti bruta adima maji atom hoso eso but I have to do it University York University McDonald Boulevard Winters Road but I'm not going there. It may come on straight until say na hatia and then my pro bono York University passengers pick up ya me yard my entry be be call downtown pretty soon and nemo but my promise is in the course of the week me call downtown. I say archives of Ontario archives no archives of Ontario 134 Ian McDonald Boulevard York University is actually archives of Ontario archives in a very big and spacious campus. Sure, easy. I think so. Also, I saw second one. Sir, I know hono. I be a white visa. I didn't see a subway. I didn't know hono. I didn't see a subway. I'm part of the archives shops, no. Ontario archives. I know. Wait. I subway. I subway. Okay, I further down. I subway. Our campus now inside. Train on the bus ni bin nanam ha. Subway. Ya. Senatia. Subway na menam hono. Ana omo facilities ni bin. School of Business. Akwana ofa ha ukosi kio. Chila. Yeah. The campus wana hostel. 20 subi aka and masu and chini had maybe this way no it. The man ko we are nice green building ni. Food there. Ambe aye ni yie ama aye krabe he ma obia obia onso be pese obeba be he nti aye plus e ma wo no York University entrance na de e wo animu si I think say I was me ba second ensra yeah You know, more facilities in it. Oh, buildings. Maybe I'm your money, man. Oh, and you know, a part of York University. I'm more, I would say, Film and Theatre, Center for Film and Theatre, Gold Fab Center, Joan and Martin Gold Fab. Yeah, and Yamaha, among for business here. Fine and Arts Spons, Seneca Lane. Oh, yeah. Juma, Miss Magia to Hosono. If you would answer, subscribe to my YouTube channel now or subscribe it. Subscribe here. And what's I subscribe here? Now, if there be information for Bebel and then my name is Probo, the PMO, our York University, our Toronto, Canada, one Kiel campus. Me fa show ham no so na me buy am be pie still so na me free still na me borrow mu na me pie mu the Pond Road campus na ani ono security tight. Milo TV Toronto, Canada. I'm going to say CCC buildings no be there. I can't. These buildings no be. I can't. I'm going to CCC but eti ntirimana ba brade obi kan why omunyina mpese omba Canada be ko school yakwa beje wonum ayina ya omu campus o mu ye bia kan ko ni se ya onyina ya omu campus the side of the road ayina si omu campus ni Toronto, Canada, Milo TV omu wo Seneca campus nso ha and York no mu guso omu kase ngrofo di omu guso si new facilities we more old ones. And Timmy Sabenkum say no. New. Because I'm their life no more patches. What time so now over 7 years. Cop. I feel no being sober, no so to us. The campus now I'm just oh, new year more buildings no more pija account. No ma we anya krab he hefa ana anya krab he minia o he Milo TV. So welcome to York University. Ubejina welcome to York University. The ope bia ba bia oko bia no ya outline bi bia wo map we so na fi I start here free hono. Yeah. This is a campus. I can't make us had it, make me say animal. Yeah, animal kakra, animal chain. The Pond Road. Bus no be near. Tiano, akoye campus like open baby at the di open bank bi yakoyi sika on say RBC how mo ye nuane everything coffee mu kran se na tete no nuane bre I know. Yeah. Wow, and there, you mamma de mammy soon. Yeah, and I am a good sinner. Interview with Fiano. Now, I'm passing being sober. Passing it became. Which means before, sir, Canada by Canada, say no. I'm a brave, I'm a fighting, but I'm a conquer. Any like subway now. Yeah. NFNF4. Wow. York University. And then me visit me buy no. Nche bia beba na wie ya o Milo TV so. Iti mpacha on subscribe ya no subscribe. No wa comment. O wi a no wa like no wa share on. Sa Milo TV no. York University. And then aprobo a me buy. Nsrahwe a me buy no. York on campus into building way. Students ni bi team. Yeah. Sa building way. Pond Road ni.
Difficult exam, but it needs a very dedicated
Anyejo. Provocation pa ane ne makono. Summertime. Gina machishi ya. Campus Nana. Straight up. York University campus. Toronto, Canada, Milo TV. What the answer over subscribe, no one like it. Or comment we are not if you watch it. So York on campus. I ain't not coming here. Nka obeka ya ka first pa wonam Prempeh College nchem ho a wokọ Sofola ho no usese ya na ho aye na atwe ne empuro ne so de sen emoi enu enom ne na sefo nyina na bi go beta ne o matwetwa ni nyina first pa no nka o free junction Sofola ubedu ayi ho no ma aha de se o de nsa koka dua se mabo almost 3 is life ya mon for mun san kan dua Kill Campus, Nelson Road, Passy Crescent, Hoover Road, Shoreham Drive. It must have more or less no. We have a bit oh. Teacher me economy could see Shoreham no so they say me fella campus na one. I na campus ni on parking lot. Ana on ba bi dia grow hanom. My park kesiya adaha. I'm for bi dia grow. Yes. Double phone so. Ebenya dia share. Double so. Ni na so ba campus ha. Ebe didi. Na double in so mo story back on say I want to be back no more two. No more all the way to California. Because I'm saying no more California. Ni na boil it down to the fact say I was back Canada in so mo form back no more California because of weather condition. I had in York University campus oh and I'm a creative ensuo artificial ensuo ato hano oh I'm a creative artificial ensuo ato ha oh but then ensuo ubetimi aba besu no I'm a creative ato mo disua de artificial nya natural mo ankasa no more pretty. At one. Oh, and your fan now. Oh, it's a building, so the way tree. Oh, oh, it's a building, a way tree. And so, I think I'm one so. So, be here, double, and so in so almost ready. A movie video, move Jerry, no more so have fun. Oh, I'm broke for the yeah, and it's here. And so, when you're natural, sorry, and yet artificial. Dabi, and so near artificial. Some of Bremen Nantis are antina. Mumfancheme. A artificial, a man made nipper and a didn't inside. I ain't so yet that way. Sir, and it's here. York University Campus, Toronto, Canada. July 6, 2021. Milo TV. Subscribe, comment, like, and then share. Wow. Oh, and you free say fear, aha. Can you basic pani? Aha, can I basic pa? I base a month for Baba Shena. Almost shit. Your money, my better. You can do that. Yeah. I in a satellite that Diagra at show. This is the antique. Antique car. 19 says old age car. Car what cheap. To Quana Suni. Campus in my John Honor. It's more or less no. My quas are baby symmetry. Oh, my qua baby symmetry. Almost Madu Shoreham. We do Shoreham, the answer. My pro bono, I want them to start here. Into over here. Tennis, Canada. I know. The one has a visibility, your poor crabba. Adios, sir. Any more yet dark. Oh, Tennis, Canada. Yeah. It's the other for Milo TV Toronto, Canada. Maybe I want subscribe here, subscribe, and like, and comment, and share. I say Ghana for ye near bra ye pekwenye tu. Yeah, yakotna Qatar. Yeah, yakotna Dubai. Kuwait. Maybe be a wobiano. I was here to your boss. A far a quantu semu. And yes, sir, ya number G security. They be me preaching against that. But still, a more multiply. Travel and toy agencies no. I'm going to multiply. It's money now. I'm not condemning Obi. I mean, say Obi Ejima, but they may patch you know, and say money now. Now, cruising is why a wild. It's Masaya Ba, I will do show him. Let's say a pro bono. They said the Daisu, the Daikosu, and Epitri, and Tionga. York University, on the Mayato, the Unison. Okay. Campus now, postal services. That's it for you know. It's a hand me fire this route. I call the way this side. Okay. Me say be fa no makufi. Mo munya daje ehwe video yi and I say YouTube video yi. Me fa kwenye so no madamase mo like ya mo comment ya mo share mo nyina so madamase pa campus no. Stop e bia na da hosa. Eti me chama debi. You need your bicycle lane. Oh, we know on your bicycle lane. It's a high bicycle lane. It's a draw bike in at all. Yeah. Sanity. India for boys be a much cheaper. Tennis court nini. On tennis court no. A hona minamno. No entry. Tennis Canada. eti ada for ma fa dwumadi no mra na wie me dem ase yankopon onhiro bibia na onye obia akoma so ade e ma no afisese na wonsu nyame ahye ne ho ni munyam na wabekan ho e wo Canada na ye de odo abodom me ba cho hyene so ma me se WhatsApp line no 001 416 909 1100 other for me di nyame ejamo. Bye. Ciao.